Okay, now that you are ready to run your first Rust program, you probably need a code formatter. And this code formatter, you can use the Rust. If you are using VS Code, you can use the Rust Analyzer, which is a very good plugin in VS Code that already formats automatically. When you have like this, you can format document and it will format, ident, and do all this stuff for you. The colors, and like when you do like create a variable like this, for example, it will automatically do all this stuff for you. So install the Rust Analyzer if you are using VS Code. But if you don't use VS Code, you can also use the Rust formatter, and this is the path, the Rust formatter. So basically, the Rust formatter has all the instructions that you can use to format the code in a good way. And the way the Rust formatter works is that there is a rustformatter.toml, which is a file. It's already available in the repo, so you just need to copy and paste it. You don't need to do anything with it. But you put this file here in your. Let me create Rust. You have to do rustfmt.toml. You create this file, and then you copy and paste the content that is in the repo. I'm gonna share with you here in Discord if you want to make it easier. But basically, these are all the different configurations that you want to have in your code, and you can like change anything that you might be. It's similar for those who come from the JavaScript world. Also, it's similar to linter. Code linter. There are many in JavaScript, but basically these are the most common things to do, and it is enough for you to start. Okay. So you copy this content, and you are good to go.